I'm in my dorm, top floor, but I hear something. I'm recording this. Hopefully y'all can hear it. Hope I don't drop my phone. It's coming from that way.